Ever wondered what type of wood is best for your kitchen cabinets? The answer lies in one of three categories: solid hardwoods, softwoods, and man-made options. Solid hardwoods, like cherry or oak, bring a sense of luxury and longevity. Softwoods, such as pine or spruce, offer affordability and accessibility. And then there's the practicality of man-made woods, like high-density fiberboard or medium-density fiberboard. Each has its own unique characteristics in terms of durability, appearance, and maintenance. The type of wood you choose can greatly impact the look and feel of your kitchen. So let's dive into the details. Starting with the creme de la creme of cabinet woods, solid hardwoods. Varieties like cherry, maple, ash, hickory, and oak each carry unique qualities. They're known for their exceptional durability, distinct appearance, and specific maintenance needs. Solid hardwoods offer robustness and beauty, but they come with a higher price tag. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, consider softwoods. Spruce, pine, and Douglas fir are readily available and easier on your pocket. However, while these woods offer affordability, they're more susceptible to damage and may require a bit more maintenance. Softwoods are easy on the wallet, but they may require a bit more maintenance. Lastly, let's not forget about the man-made options. High-density fiberboard and medium-density fiberboard are cost-effective and durable. However, they may not last as long as solid woods, and their aesthetic appeal is different. Man-made woods can be a practical choice, especially for those who prioritize durability over natural aesthetics. Choosing the right wood for your kitchen cabinets is a big decision. From luxurious hardwoods to affordable softwoods and practical man-made options, each has its own charm and challenges. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Your choice should align with your taste, budget, and lifestyle. For expert guidance, consider reaching out to professionals like Kitchens by Woodies.